Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is vague. It is pronounced vague and spelt V-A-G-U-E. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Vague means unclear or indistinct. It's a way to describe something that is difficult to understand or explain. For example, you could say, the instructions were vague and left us very confused. Or, the description of the place was vague, making it hard to find. The word vague comes from the Latin word vagus, which referred to someone who was without a fixed home and wandered from place to place. Their lack of a precise, definite, or permanent location meant it was often unclear where they were. See the connection? Today, the word vague just more generally means unclear or hard to explain. In Alice in Wonderland, by Lewis Carroll, we meet a mysterious talking cat called the Cheshire Cat. The cat's speech is often vague and confusing, reflecting the dreamlike and fantastical nature of Wonderland. Synonyms for vague are indistinct, imprecise, unclear, and undefined. Antonyms for vague include clear, specific, and definite. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, vague. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.